Have you ever wondered what happens when a nation decides to rewrite the entire rulebook of modern technology? Well, that is exactly what we are witnessing right now. The latest China technology breakthroughs are not just incremental upgrades. They are giant leaps that challenge everything we thought we knew about energy, travel, and even how things get built. From beaming solar power down from space to flying cars that could soon zip above our cities, the pace of change is absolutely breathtaking. Before we dive into these mind-bending innovations, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so you never miss an update on the latest cutting-edge advancements. Imagine a power plant that never sleeps, floating high above the clouds where the sun always shines. That is the dream behind the Jury project, and it just got a whole lot closer to reality. Researchers have successfully tested a system that can beam energy to multiple fast-moving targets at the same time. This is a massive upgrade from the old one-to-one method. Think of it like going from a single flashlight beam to a smart lighthouse that can track several ships at once. The outdoor tests were impressive, delivering over a kilowatt of power across a distance of 100 meters. This achievement is a cornerstone of China technology breakthroughs in the energy sector. It proves that the concept of space-based solar power is not just science fiction. The goal is to one day provide clean, uninterrupted power to drones, satellites, and even cities on Earth, bypassing the problems of nighttime and bad weather entirely. Hydrogen has always been the holy grail of clean energy, but it has a nasty habit of being dangerously explosive and hard to store. That is, until now. A Shanghai-based company has developed a new marine power system that uses a special organic liquid to dissolve hydrogen. This means the fuel can be stored and transported at normal temperatures and pressures, which is a game changer for safety. The system burns this hydrogen in an internal combustion engine, but here is the kicker. It produces zero carbon emissions. This innovation is set to power the world's first green inland waterway vessel. It tackles the biggest headaches of hydrogen head-on, making it both clean and practical. This is a prime example of how China technology breakthroughs are solving real-world problems, turning a dangerous scientific curiosity into a viable, everyday fuel source for ships. The future of computing just got a major upgrade with the commercial launch of the world's first dual-core quantum computer, named Hanyuan 2. This machine uses a neutral atom system that pairs two independent qubit arrays. Think of it like having two brains that can either work on separate problems at the same time or team up to solve a single, super complex issue. This clever design makes the computer more stable and better at fixing its own errors. The first commercial order was secured in early June, and the machine is set to be delivered within 8 months. But the company is not stopping there. They are already planning Hanyuan 3 for next year, which will pack 1,000 quantum bits. This commercial step is a huge milestone for China technology breakthroughs in the field of advanced computing, moving it from the lab into the hands of paying customers. The era of intelligent robots is no longer on the horizon. It is here, rolling off production lines in massive numbers. Agibot, a company based in Shanghai, recently celebrated a huge milestone: the production of its 15,000th general-purpose embodied robot. These are not just simple machines. They are smart robots designed to work in the real world, handling complex tasks in manufacturing. The company managed to increase its production by 15 times in just a year and a half. This massive ramp-up is driven by a huge demand from factories that want to automate their processes. China has set an ambitious goal to lead the world in the large-scale commercialization of this technology by the end of 2026. This rapid scaling of production is one of the most important China technology breakthroughs in robotics, proving that the country can not only invent new tech, but also mass-produce it efficiently. Forget traffic jams. The solution might be to simply fly over them. China is actively pioneering the future of transportation with a new generation of electric flying cars. Aviation companies are developing a wide range of models, from luxury 6-seat cabins to compact craft that can launch vertically from rooftops. These vehicles are designed for rapid point-to-point connections, drastically cutting travel times across cities and even scenic routes. They're not just concepts anymore. Prototypes are undergoing rigorous safety testing to get their airworthiness certificates. Industry experts believe that these aerial vehicles will achieve large-scale adoption within the next decade. The development of flying cars is one of the most visible and exciting China technology breakthroughs, showing a bold vision for how we will move around in the future. What if you never had to get out of your car to pump gas again? An automated refueling robot is making that a reality. This sophisticated machine uses advanced cameras and robotic arms to mimic human movements. It can identify a vehicle's position, open the fuel door, and handle the nozzle all by itself. The system automates every single step, from scanning the fuel inlet to tightening the cap. This is a clear sign of how our infrastructure is getting smarter and more autonomous. It is not just about convenience, it is about creating a seamless, efficient experience. The precise robotic mimicry of manual labor highlights a shift towards smarter, self-service systems in our daily lives. This innovation is a great example of China technology breakthroughs that are making everyday tasks easier and more futuristic. This is where the rubber really meets the road for manufacturing. For the first time, a major automotive assembly line in China is using a large number of domestically produced industrial robots for complex welding tasks. This is a landmark achievement that signals a major shift in the industry. These are not just simple machines following a fixed path. They are powered by advanced AI-driven autonomous technology that allows them to think for themselves. They can independently identify different car parts by scanning their shapes and positions. They can also monitor their own mechanical health, detecting issues before they cause problems. This ensures that every weld is perfect and meets the highest quality standards. The welding process in car manufacturing is extremely demanding. It requires pinpoint accuracy and consistency. Human welders, while skilled, can suffer from fatigue and inconsistency. These robots do not get tired. They can work around the clock, maintaining the same level of precision on every single joint. This shift represents a critical transition from simple labor replacement to something much bigger: intelligent empowerment. Factories are no longer just replacing workers with machines. They are creating a highly flexible production environment that can manage several different car models at the same time, without needing to be reprogrammed for each switch. The economic implications are huge. By using local robots, automakers can significantly cut costs. They no longer have to rely on expensive imported systems. This makes the entire production process more competitive. The success of this project proves that local innovation can offer cost-effective, high-performance solutions that reduce reliance on foreign technology. It is a prime example of China technology breakthroughs that are strengthening the nation's industrial backbone. The integration of smart manufacturing and AI robotics is revolutionizing how cars are built, setting a new standard for the global automotive industry. This is not just about building cars faster. It is about building them smarter and better. China's pipeline technology is going global. At the 14th China International Pipeline Expo, a new automated argon arc welding machine was unveiled. This is not just a prototype. It has already been put to work on a major liquefied natural gas pipeline project in the United Arab Emirates. The expo also showcased other cutting-edge tech, like a system that uses drones, satellites, and virtual reality to create a 3D model of pipeline projects. This helps engineers track construction progress in real time and fix problems before they happen, drastically improving efficiency. This international deployment is a clear signal of China technology breakthroughs that are being recognized and trusted on a global scale. It shows that Chinese innovation is not just for domestic use. It is solving infrastructure challenges around the world. In a major step toward limitless clean energy, China's artificial sun fusion reactor project has achieved a new milestone. The team successfully completed a massive superconducting magnet that is 21 meters long, 12 meters wide, and weighs over 500 tons. This is now the world's largest superconducting magnet for fusion reactors. On the same day, they also finished testing a high-temperature superconducting central solenoid coil. Both of these critical components are 100% domestically produced. Their overall performance is now among the best in the world. These breakthroughs are crucial for building a working fusion reactor, a technology that promises to provide near-infinite clean energy. This achievement in clean energy research represents some of the most profound China technology breakthroughs in the field of physics and engineering. A new hydrogen fuel cell system is breaking down the barriers that have kept hydrogen cars out of our driveways. The P5X system, developed by a subsidiary of a major Chinese automaker, has achieved a mass power density that breaks the 1 kilowatt per kilogram threshold. This is a significant improvement in performance, while also lowering production costs. This tackles the three major problems that have held hydrogen cars back. They are too expensive to buy, too costly to run, and they do not go far enough on a single tank. Industry experts say this new system is vital for promoting clean energy in China. It lays the groundwork for hydrogen vehicles to move from commercial use into the broader passenger car market. This is a major step forward for green transport, and another great example of China technology breakthroughs making sustainable options more practical for everyone.